Hello everyone, welcome to first session of Core Java. First, we see the what is Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem at release in 1995. It is designed to be platform independent. Platform independent means Java programs can run any operating system that has the Java Virtual Machine means JVM. Java is a versatile platform independence and object oriented programming language. It is used to developing a wide range of applications from the simple desktop programs into the complex enterprises level application and the mobile apps. Core Java serves as the basic understanding of language, core concept, libraries, and their syntax is also simple. Then the features of Java. First is a platform independence. Java write once means Java programs runs anywhere means principles allow the Java programs to run any operating system or any platform with the compatibles with Java Virtual Machine. This platform independence is achieved by the compiling Java code into the bytecode, which can be executed on the different platforms. Next is the object oriented. Java is a purely object-oriented programming language. It promotes to use of classes and objects, encouraging modularity and code reusability. Then the simple and clear syntax. Java syntax is simple, means it is designed to be easy to write and read. It draws the inspiration from the C and C++, but simplifies many aspects, reducing the potential for common programming errors. Then the automatic memory management. Java feature automatic memory management through a garbage collection mechanisms. It's free developer from the manually managing memory allocation and deallocation, reducing the risk of memory release errors like memory linkage. Then the strong typing. Java enforces strong typing, ensuring a strict type checking during the compile time. This help to catch type related errors before the code runs. Then the exception handling. Exception handling mechanism it's allowed to developer to handle the recover from the runtime error gracefully means improving the program stability. Then the multiple threading means multi-threading. Java provides built-in support the multi-threading, enabling developers to create concurrent application easily. This is a curricular for the building responsive and efficient software. Then the rich standard library. Java comes with the comprehensive standard library means that have the Java APIs provide the classes and methods for the various tasks including input output networking data structure and many more. This library simplifies development and reduce the need for the writing low level code. Next is a object oriented programming language means OOPS, like object oriented programming means it is a programming paradigm that's it is a fundamental to the Java. In OOPS, the program is organized into the object which are instance of class, and these objects interact with each other and their tasks. Java is a designed to be purely object oriented meaning that the everything in a Java is an object and the language core concept are building around the OOPS principle. Here are some key aspects of the Java program means object oriented programming language in Java. There are the code of classes and object. There is a class is a dog means and string name and age are the string is a data type, int is a data type, and names and age are the variables. Then next is a bark is a function, that have the printf statements like system.out.println for the bark. Then next is the creating of the object, means creating the first is a class, means class dog. Then the object is a my dog, and we create a dog, and then the my dog dot name, means dot is a membership operator, and we assign the name is buddy. Then the age also we assign the 3, and then calling the method of the object, means my dot bark, means buddy dog. There are the output. Next is a inheritance. Inheritance allow you to create a new class, means a subclass or a child class that inherit attributes and methods from the existing class, means superclass or a parent class. Java support the single inheritance, means that the classes can inherit from the only one superclass. There are the superclass is a animal. Their function is a eat, means animal is a eating. Then the subclass is a dog, means inherit the attributes, and method means method we add the eat. So existing class is animals, and subclass is a dog. Then the create the object of subclass, and calling the function eat and bark with membership operator, and then the output is will be animal is eating and dog is barking. Next is a polymorphism. Polymorphism means it is a Greek word. Poly means many, and morphism means form, means it allows the object of a different classes to be treated as the object of common superclass. Java supports the method overriding and interface to achieve the polymorphism. Superclass is animal, and there are function is a make a sound, and subclass is a dog, means extend, means inherit to the animal and make a sound like dog is a barking. Then also create a superclass is a cat, and they have the make a sound function, and cat meow. Then the creator object, first we call the make a sound of animal, so output will be dog bark, and next is output is a cat meow. Then the encapsulation. Encapsulation is a concept of building a data and methods that operate on that data within a single unit. That's why a classes in a Java access modifier like public, private, protected, and default are used to control the visibility and accessibility of a class member. Than the abstraction. Abstraction involves simplifying complex system by breaking into the smaller, manageable parts in a Java. Abstract classes and interface are used to achieve the abstraction. Java syntax and structure. Java programs are organized into the classes. Each Java source code files must have the same name as it is a public class. My class.java means extension we use the .java. Next is the main method. Main method is a public static void main in brackets string args, means which is the entry point of the program. The main method is where the program execution started. Then the data types. Java has the primitive data types like int, double, boolean, and reference data types like string, object. Primitive data types store the values directly, while reference data types store the reference to the object. Next is a variable and constant. Variable are used to store the data, and they must be declared with a specific data type before we use. Means suppose int is a data type and x is a variable. Then the constant and declaration. Means constant have the fixed value. They doesn't change. Means we can add the values like constant. Means we use the final keyword for the constant declaration. Means final int max value is 100. Let's see the basic program in Java on Eclipse. First, open a Eclipse IDE on your desktop. Then select the folder. By default, we create the folder for Java programs. Then launch. Then click on File. Click on New and select the project. Then after click project Java project and next project name is my first program. Then finish. After creating a JRE is Java. First is after creating a project, we in our project we add the JRE by default. Means JRE is a Java runtime environment. It is required to the run Java application. Includes the JVM, means Java Virtual Machine. Means it converts the Java bytecode into the machine code for the execution. And also we add the JDK, means include the tools like Java-C compiler and libraries for the development. After creating a project, then click on new and click on class. Means class is a package. We add the demo.com and class name is a demo and select the main method, means public static void main and finish. Then the system println statement add system dot out dot println and hello world. Save the file, then run and run the application. So output will be show the hello world. Thank you.